Hey guys, John here from Josh and John, and welcome back to the Taurus series. And if you're new here, don't be alarmed, we welcome new viewers. Essentially, this is my Papaw's 2001 Ford Taurus. It had sat for 7 long, unfortunate years before we had tried to do anything with it. Initially, we just put new fuel in it, a new fuel filter, oil change, and tried to start it, and it would just crank. We finally put a fuel pump on it, and then it started after that. But if you decide to go back and get caught up to the series, welcome to the Taurus journey. We are trying so hard to make this thing a reliable daily again and get my old man's car back on the road. I'll pop a link to all the other parts in the description if you guys are interested. Let's get to this alternator change. How's it going, guys? Josh and John here, and today we're doing 3 things at once on my car. It's part 4.
Yep, part 4.
Yeah, part 4. We're gonna do the alternator, blower motor, and water pump possibly.
Maybe. What about that belt you ordered?
Oh, and the belt, yeah. So we've got some help today. Let me introduce you. Today, introducing Seth. Would you like to introduce yourself? Okay. And this is Waylon. Yeah. And then you all know. The first thing you do is take off this tire. What do you call that? The splash shield on the tire. Don't do that though. So we're trying to get to the alternator right now. I don't know where the freak it is.
We had to take the tire and stuff off
but
already.
I actually couldn't find a good video on this process, so we're just gonna make one here. Disconnect your negative terminals, or both, don't matter. Take the wheel off, turn it over to give yourself more room.
To the right, too.
And then we'll continue the steps in a minute. All right, guys, we're doing the blower motor while they're tackling the alternator. Look at this position, dude. What? So basically, there's like clips under here, so I don't know if I can show you. And they're right under, yep, right there.
Here comes a car. Uh-oh.
So. Oh, God. Just laying the mouse in the rat hair. All right, we're gonna put towels right over, the shit in her.
Yeah, stick your face in it cleanly now.
There's like an inner splash pad.
Yeah, it's this one here.
Okay, right there. You take that off.
Like to get it lifted up.
So we just got one of these clips out. Also, my Uncle Pat was about to come here and then saw our party of vehicles and was like, "Yeah, I think I'll just leave."
Oh, there we went.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Hey, so what's the issue?
We are trying to figure out how to take the belt off. We need to find that. We need to get something on that tensioner down there to loosen that belt.
Waylon has already got the got the assembly. That's the new assembly. He's actually unscrewing the old assembly out. So once you get this belt off, unscrew this.
Alternator.
Is it like a really long screw or something?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Three very, very, very long screws.
So y'all know what we're actually looking at down here. We are taking screws out of this. Took a screw out of this. Took this plug out. And there's one more back there somewhere, but it's behind here somewhere, so I'm gonna have to find it. Wish me luck.
I got it all off, so I'm gonna just try it.
Yeah, just try to pull it out. You know what I mean?
I think it's stuck on here some other way too.
Oh, really?
That we ain't.
Let me look at it here in a second. Oh, poop.
Oh my God, look how nasty it is.
Gosh, yeah, they nasty.
Oh my, look at this. All the rust. Like, look right there.
Oh my God, I'm so happy we're changing this out. Yeah.
We'll keep this. This is your spare.
Okay. Oh my God, it's like seized.
Like the other one spins easy.
Yeah.
This one won't even spin like at all.
That's why it ain't working then. All right, guys, let's put this back in. The blower mower's in. Yes, sir. So they've almost got that alternator out, but anyway, we decided we're gonna try to tackle this water pump, and this got a small ass belt. See what we can do.
What do you want, Seth? Right,
Okay.
Mountain Dew Blue Gatorade.
Let's get it.
Okay.
It's food running time.
One stop gambling now.
Do they really have a one-stop gambling ring? Oh.
Now this is it.
All right, guys. So I guess we're just gonna. Wow.
That's a bunch of display lights.
Yeah. I guess we're gonna get our drink and then our pizza.
Should I get pizza?
Them are good. Guys, it's pizza time. Well, guys, our snack break's over. They're getting back to it. We're gonna try to help. Wow. Let's go. All right, so what is an alternator? An alternator is something basically just recharges the battery.
So you gonna give a better explanation of it?
As your RPMs turn, it turns the alternator, which in turn charges your battery.
Guys, for some reason this thing would not turn over.
Yeah, just give us
This
something.
starter wasn't initiating.
It went. That's a scream like an impact.
Try it again, Wild.
Never mind.
Did you turn it off?
Yeah, turn it off.
What is that?
What is that?
What?
14.56.
It's charging right now. It sounds good. I don't know. Does that mean my starter's going out? No?
It probably just being patient.
Well.
Maybe it's because you turned the alternator on it, they wouldn't used to it or something.
Why is it revving up?
She's charging good though.
Well, that's good. Alright guys, so it only works on full blast, which is fine.
Wait.
Like that.
What?
It only works on full blast, but I feel heat. It's either full blast or nothing.
That's what it sounds like.
We'll have heat now. Yay, let's go.
Oh, look at that. It's a beaut right there.
It's running good, John.
I think so.
Look how blurry.
Let me try out the AC.
Like, this feels good. Like, dang it. Like, it's blowing. Oh, it only blows. Oh, man.
This is getting a little too high.
Yeah, turn this junk off. Remember floor? This jacket's so big.
Oh, turn that off.
Yeah, it's too hot. It's like an oven.
Let's see if my speed player's working.
Oh, yeah.
Done good. We hit something on the way here. I don't know what it was. You know, I don't see anything visually, but maybe that's for the best.
Maybe the cat was stuck to your wheel.
Oh, I hope not.
Oh, man.
Maybe that wasn't what we heard.
I would have put that wheel in.
All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a like, give it a comment, subscribe. We actually ended up not making an outro to this video, so that's the reason why there's no outro. But I can be the outro right here. There's 3 other parts to the Taurus video besides this one, and we got a lot more coming. So stay tuned. Subscribe with the notification bell. We have got a lot more videos coming on this car. Spoiler alert, it looks really good right now. Like, everything's almost done. So just stay tuned, and thank you guys so much for being a part of the series. All right, guys, peace.